All right, I got this Nulea trackball mouse here. My other one died. I love these ergonomic feel, these trackball mouses, because I don't have to move my hand anywhere. Plus, if I'm laying back watching TV or something, I can just do my computer and put it on my chest or wherever, on my couch over here, and not have to worry about going all over the place. So anyway, if you've used these before in the past, you've used the different versions of it. I have used different versions of it. They didn't last me quite as long as I'd hoped. So I assume that maybe they're all that way. This one's a little bit more on the affordable side than some of the other ones, so I thought I'd give this one a shot. I've been using it for a couple days and I really like it. It really works smooth. It works just like I'm used to the other one working. It's got the back and the forward buttons right here. You know, your different slow settings. It's got the scroll wheel. It's got a nice smooth rolling roller ball that you can pop out if you ever need to clean the sensors inside of there, which we all do. It comes with 3 different ways you can hook it up. It's got an on-off switch on the bottom. You turn that on-off switch on the bottom and the light lights up on there, and you can change it. There's Bluetooth mode 1, Bluetooth mode 2, or if you would like me, I'm just using the USB, which comes right here on the bottom of the mouse. You just plug that in, set the mode to USB, and it will auto connect, or mine did at least. It's got 4 rubber feet in the bottom, just like I'm used to, and it is pretty awesome so far. And the best thing about it, I think anyway, is that it's rechargeable. There's no batteries required for this. So obviously it comes nicely packaged in this box. You get a set of instructions and you get this kind of cool thing here that folds out and it tells you how to hook it up on the back. So pretty simple stuff. And of course you get a nice big USB-C charging cable. This is a USB-C device and feels just like I'm used to with the other one I used. Feels great. Rollerball works great. Scroll mouse, the scroll wheel works great. The buttons all work great. Absolutely no complaints after a couple days using this. Looking forward to seeing how long it lasts. But if you're in the market for a rollerball mouse, you might want to check this one out. Pretty cool.